Let me show you all of the best features that I found for Soundcore Liberty for NC. So all of the features will be included in the Soundcore app. If you don't have it, I recommend to download this app and then connect your earbuds with it, after which we'll be able to adjust all of that settings. So first, in our dash panel for the earbuds, we can switch between noise cancellation, normal or transparency mode, which is pretty standard for nowadays earbuds, but it's pretty cool feature anyway, so I decided to include it. And here I activated noise cancellation, and we can also go for a specific mode like adaptive noise cancellation that you can activate. You can even go for a manual mode, which allows you to manually adjust the noise cancellation level. And there's even option to use transportation modes. So if you're in a plane, you can go with this one. If you're in a train, you can go for that one. If you're in a bus, you can go with this one. And there's even a car mode. Now there is also option to activate wind noise reduction, which should reduce any wind noises on your earbuds. Next feature right here is sound effects, which allows you to customize equalizer for your earbuds, and you can go for here ID sound, which gives you a setup, so you need to follow instructions on screen, or you can go for this one right here, which allows you to pick through different equalizer presets that are pre-made for those devices. Next is a custom equalizer, and here it allows you to create your own equalizer profiles, or you can click on the plus button to create even more profiles and then switch between them. Also in the sound effects, you can find 3D surround sound, which gives you a spatial mode, which is pretty cool. It's basically surround sound, so you can hear sounds from different directions. And there's controls as well, which allows you to customize the actions for gestures that appear right here for left and right earbud, and you can make it truly yourself for those earbuds. Next is to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and we have option to auto play and pause music when we wear or not wear our earbuds. So when this option is activated and you're not wearing your earbuds or remove them from your ears, they will stop playing music automatically, and if you equip them again, they will start playing it. There's a gaming mode. Currently for me it's grayed out since I have the LDAC activated right here, and if you prefer low latency or more than sound quality, you can go for a gaming mode right here. You can then activate sound leak compensation. I found this feature really cool, and there's no reason to not turn it on, as it removes any sound leaks from your earbuds and improves overall sound quality. There's the sound mode that I've mentioned previously, which allows you to go for preferred audio quality with LDAC, which greatly improves your sound quality, and I recommend to go for this one. But you can go for combined audio and connection quality for lower latency, along with the game mode. There's dual connection, which allows you to connect those earbuds to two different devices at the same time. We also have a fit test, which honestly I won't mention that as I find any fit tests for earbuds pretty useless, but that would be everything that I wanted to mention in this best features video.